Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we learnt the project planning and scheduling. We looked at importance of project planning. Developing a project plan, objectives, deliverables, milestones. Creating a project schedule, Gantt charts, critical path method, CPM, PERT. Defining dependencies and project timelines. Project management tools for scheduling, Microsoft Project, Trello, Asana. In today's class, we will be learning project cost management. Introduction to project cost management. Project cost management is one of the most crucial aspects of project management. It involves estimating, budgeting, monitoring, and controlling costs to ensure the project is completed within the approved financial plan. If a project exceeds its budget, it can lead to financial losses, reduced stakeholder confidence, and even project failure. Effective cost management ensures that resources are allocated efficiently, cost overruns are minimized, and financial risks are mitigated. 1. Budgeting and cost estimation techniques. What is cost estimation? Cost estimation is the process of predicting the financial resources needed to complete a project. Accurate cost estimation helps in preventing budget overruns, allocating resources efficiently, ensuring financial feasibility. Cost estimation techniques. There are several techniques used to estimate project costs. Analogous estimating, top-down approach. Uses historical data from similar past projects. Quick but less accurate. Example, if a previous software project cost $50,000, a similar project might have a comparable budget. Parametric estimating. Uses statistical models based on project parameters. More accurate than analogous estimating. Example, if the cost to build 1 kilometer of a road is $500,000, then a 10 km road would cost $5 million. Bottom-up estimating. Estimates individual task costs and sums them up. Highly accurate but time-consuming. Example. Breaking down the costs of labor, materials, and equipment for each activity. 3-point estimating, PERT. Uses 3 scenarios, optimistic, O, best case scenario. Most likely, M, expected cost. Pessimistic, P, worst case scenario. Formula, O plus 4M plus P/6. Budgeting in project management. A project budget is the financial plan that estimates total costs, including direct costs, expenses directly linked to the project, e.g., labor, raw materials. Indirect costs. Overhead expenses, e.g., office rent, utilities. Contingency reserves, funds set aside for unforeseen risks. Once the budget is approved, it serves as a baseline for cost monitoring. 2. Cost baselines and cost control measures. What is a cost baseline? A cost baseline is the approved version of the project budget. It is used as a benchmark to compare actual spending. Cost control measures. To keep a project within budget, project managers implement cost control strategies. Tracking expenses regularly, monitoring expenditures to detect overruns early. Variance analysis, comparing actual costs with the budgeted amount. Change control procedures, managing scope changes that may impact costs. Regular financial reporting, providing stakeholders with cost updates. By controlling costs effectively, organizations avoid financial losses and maintain profitability. 3. Earned Value Management, EVM. Earned Value Management, EVM, is a technique that measures project performance in terms of cost and schedule. It helps project managers answer questions like, are we on budget? Are we ahead or behind schedule? Key EVM metrics. Planned value, PV. The budgeted cost of work scheduled. Example, if a task was planned to cost $10,000 by month 2, the PV at month 2 is $10,000. Earned value, EV. The budgeted cost of work completed. Example, if 50% of a task, budgeted at $10,000, is completed, then EV equals $5,000. Actual cost, AC. The real cost incurred for completed work. Example, if the company spent $6,000 to complete 50% of the work, then AC equals $6,000. Performance indicators. Cost variance, CV, equals EV minus AC. If CV is 0, project is under budget. If CV is 0, project is over budget. Cost Performance Index, CPI, equals EV divide AC. If CPI is 1, project is cost efficient. If CPI is 1, project is over budget. 4. Handling cost overruns and financial risks. Causes of cost overruns. Poor cost estimation. Scope creep, unauthorized scope changes. Inflation or unexpected price increases. Delays leading to additional costs. Inefficient resource allocation. Strategies to handle cost overruns. Early risk identification, identifying cost risks before they occur. Scope management, preventing unnecessary changes that increase costs. Using contingency reserves, setting aside extra funds for unforeseen costs. Negotiating with vendors, reducing costs through strategic partnerships. By anticipating and managing financial risks, project managers avoid project failure. 5. Cost management software and tools. Modern project managers use cost management tools to track expenses, control budgets, and analyze financial data. Popular cost management tools. Microsoft Project, tracks budgets and EVM calculations. Oracle Primavera, used for large-scale project cost control. QuickBooks, helps in budgeting and financial reporting. SAP ERP. Advanced enterprise-level cost management software. Zoho Projects, integrates expense tracking and reporting. Using these tools improves accuracy, efficiency, and financial transparency. Conclusion. Project cost management is critical for ensuring projects are completed within budget. By using accurate cost estimation techniques, controlling expenses, applying EVM, and leveraging modern cost management tools, project managers can prevent financial risks and maximize project success. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.